Welcome to the Department of Chemistry, Vidya Professional and Technical College, Bhilwara. As you can see here, we are distillating and extracting mint oil from this apparatus, which is a assembly of these different types of glasswares as well as this heating mantle. And we have used mint leaves for the distillation of mint oil. First of all, this one is the heating mantle, which is heating this round bottom flask. It is connected with this T-shaped connector to this condenser. Now this condenser is very important for this extraction process. As you can see here, this pipe which you can see here, it is the inlet part. You can see the water is coming from this tube in this condenser, and it is just moving throughout this. You can see here it's moving here, and then from here this is the outlet pipe is in the upper side, due to which the vapor which is coming here will be condensed. So this one is the outlet pipe, and the hot water is draining there. This one is the last tube which is collecting here. You can see the distillate is collecting here in this beaker, which is approximately now this is 50 ml, approximate 50 ml. So this distillate is having the oily and water layer, and whole environment is like mint flavor. So this one is the assembly which we have just created. Thank you all of you.